Okay guys, this is me, Percival 10 Learning. Today we're gonna tear down this A4TECH mouse, and the model is G3200N. As you can see right there, so it's the A4TECH G3200N mouse. So yeah, so now we're gonna tear it down. So fast forward starts right now. So here it is, guys. So here is the mouse, but first off, here's the receiver. So as you can see, there's this tiny little board right there on the receiver. Now let's turn off the lights first. There you go. So there's this tiny little board on the receiver, and when I hit it with the hammer, it's pretty flat now. I got come on, camera focus. As you can see, there's this little chip inside of it, and now it's not here. As you can see, here's the body of the mouse. As you can see, here it is. So here's the AA battery tray. So you put your AA there, yeah, battery and whatnot. And here's the little chip, as you can see right here. So here's the chip that controls everything, I guess, and it looks like it. Oh, never mind, there's this other chip that's connected to here. Oh wow, so it has this connector type thing, and it's connected to these parts. So as you can see, there's this sort of some kind of contraption, but as you can see, here's the name of the board and whatnot. You can search it out, and it's a pretty nice looking board. And here, as you can see, it's connected via this pins towards here, and I guess here's the name of the thing. Wait, there's no name on this board. No, there you go, there's the name, and that's basically it. And here are the buttons, the clicky buttons. Yeah, so it's the right click and left click and whatnot, and the scroll wheel goes here and whatnot. And there's scroll wheel. It's actually a rubber wheel, so I guess I'm gonna use this in future projects and whatnot. And that's basically it, guys. If you have any questions about that mouse, and that mouse is basically broken and I can't even use it now, and that's why I tear it down and whatnot. So if you have any questions about it, comment down below, guys, and that's it. Peace.